Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can write your final year project abstract using ChatGPT in just 2 minutes. Now, here's the mistake that every student does. They just go to ChatGPT and type in, I want to write a project abstract for this project title. And what happens? ChatGPT gives them a paragraph full of features that are not even present in their project. Like this project will have cloud hosting, real-time dashboard, a mobile app, 99% accuracy, none of which is actually present in the project. And when their project guide reads that, they immediately know that it is copied and they reject it right away. So in this video, I will give you the correct way to write an abstract. I will show you how you can prepare the inputs, then how you can feed that input to ChatGPT, and how exactly you can prepare a proposal style abstract. In that way, you do not have to write it as if you have already completed building those features. You can write it in form of a plan, and that is the exact kind of abstract that gets selected by faculties easily. Let's first understand why abstracts get rejected when students use generic prompts. For example, when you just give in your project title into ChatGPT, ChatGPT has no idea what your actual plan is, so it starts guessing. For example, your project idea is AI-based attendance system. Now, when you put this into ChatGPT and ask it to write an abstract, it will add in a lot of features like face recognition, fingerprint authentication, cloud storage, live dashboard, and even a mobile app. However, your project might not even have any of these features, and it might just be a very simple Python-based attendance system. So when your project guy sees this kind of abstract which is totally overloaded, they immediately understand that it is copied from somewhere. So the problem here is not ChatGPT, it is the kind of input that you're giving it. So if you give it the right kind of input, ChatGPT will actually give you an abstract which actually matches your project and is realistic. Now let's see what kind of input you should prepare. Think of your abstract like filling out a small form. So before you start with ChatGPT, make sure you have these 4 set of information available with you. Number 1, what technology or algorithm are you using? Are you using CNN, Transformers, MERN-Stack, etc.? Number 2, what is your novelty? Are you using multimodal data or a hybrid algorithm, or are you just using or dealing with real-time features? Number 3 is your data set. It could be a Kaggle dataset, UCI dataset, or IoT sensor data, or just data that you collected yourself. And number 4, your method of deployment. Are you planning to deploy your project as a web app, a mobile app, or just a local demo? So these 4 information is very important, and when you feed these to ChatGPT and ask it to generate an abstract for you, you will see that ChatGPT will actually be generating an abstract that completely aligns with your project and is realistic. So here's the exact prompt you should use. In this way, ChatGPT won't include unnecessary things and only use the information that you have provided. Let's try this prompt with a slightly complex project title, that is blockchain-based secure medical record storage with machine learning for disease prediction. Here are the inputs: algorithm, logistic regression plus XGBoost, novelty, blockchain for data security plus ML for disease prediction, dataset, open medical dataset from Kaggle, deployment, web application with login access. Now, when you use this correct prompt, ChatGPT will generate something like this. See how clear and realistic that is? It does not claim anything unrealistic and clearly matches the input that we provided.